Hello? Today I shall show you how to disable quick access in File Explorer on Windows 11. Step 1, open File Explorer Options. So open the search menu and type File Explorer Options. Click on the File Explorer Options result. Step 2, change default view. Under the General tab, find the option Open File Explorer to click the drop-down menu and select this PC instead of Quick Access. Click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. That's it. Now your File Explorer will open to this PC by default instead of Quick Access. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.